In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI Soul. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank prompt to a polished image, and how to make the most of the creative tools built into the platform. Start by heading to higgsfield.ai in your browser. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures your generations are saved to your account and lets you access features like downloads and revisions without interruptions. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, move your cursor to the navigation and hover over the image section. From the options that appear, click Higgsfield Soul. This opens the creative workspace where you'll set up your generation. Here you'll choose the core settings for your image. Pick a model that suits the look you're after. Different models may emphasize realism, stylization, or speed. Set your aspect ratio based on how you plan to use the image, like square for social posts or widescreen for banners. Choose a quality level that balances detail with generation time. You'll also see a toggle for prompt enhance. Turning it on lets the system refine your input for more descriptive results, while turning it off gives you full control over the exact phrasing. In the prompt box, type a clear description of what you want, such as Running Man Fitness. Add helpful details like lighting, mood, or background if you need a more specific look, but keep it concise so the model understands your intent. When you're ready, click Generate Free. The system will process your request, and it may take a little time depending on demand and settings. While it loads, think about what you'll check in the result: pose, color, and composition, so you know what to adjust if you run another pass. When the generation finishes, click the image to open it. You'll see several options to move forward. Recreate lets you run the same idea again for variations. Publish makes your image visible to the community if you want to showcase your work. Download saves the file to your device for immediate use. Video, when available, can animate the image to add motion. Upscale increases resolution for sharper, print-ready results. Delete removes the image from your gallery if you don't need it. Share provides a quick link or platform option so you can send it directly to others. That's the complete flow. Visit the site, log in, navigate to Higgsfield Soul, set your model and image parameters, write a clear prompt, generate, and then choose how to refine or export your finished image.